Well, back in India, the Finance Ministry yesterday unveiled a direct tax code that might become law. While the new tax code is by and large cause for celebration for taxpayers, the removal of tax exemptions on home loans might just be the dampener. Here's more.
The Finance Minister's draft tax code may have ensured a much larger disposable income for the common man, but what he has given with one hand, he has also taken away with the other. Interest paid on home loans for self-occupied property would no longer be allowed to be deducted from tax, a matter of concern for both home buyers as well as developers.
No, it's a both the way benefits, because people will take good rental property, and then similarly, and from the other side, the people are saving taxes, 20% savings, which will definitely they will buy the assets.
Not all are worried though, and some realtors are hopeful that with increased disposable income, home buyers will not feel the pinch. Also, the tax code proposes to continue with deduction of interest on property given out on rent.
They have given exemption to 3 lakhs, cumulative across all exemptions, And it is not absolutely clear. It may be that while the final notification takes place, it is clarified that housing loan interest component is included into that. So that is not absolutely clear as of now.
You win some and you lose some. While the new tax code does comfort the common Indians in terms of giving more disposable income in their pockets, it also draws up concerns for home buyers who may have to redo some of their numbers. In New Delhi, Mayur Shekhar Jha, NDTV Profit.
Well, the government may have